位置喺北角或者係炮台山啦嘅城市花園道啊。Here is North Point or maybe Fortress Hill, the City Garden Road。咁城市花園道當然最出名嘅就係前面嘅城市花園啦。And of course, in the City Garden Road, they have got the City Garden.對面都有啲鋪頭嘅。They have got a few shops on the other side of the road, but they are all mostly properties agents. And they have got a little mall here, 城市中心 Maxi Mall。呢度啲鋪頭除咗 7 同埋 OK 之外，好似都冇開啦。It seems that the only shops are opening here are 7-Eleven and Circle K. They are both convenience store. And this is the City Garden Hotel. In my memory, this is a 4-star hotel. 4 stars hotel. 4星酒店嚟嘅，如果冇記錯嘅話。City Garden 城市花園。咁無啦啦有個水池啦。咁就今次唔入去啦，之前有一段片係入過去嘅。嚟一次先，個 angle 錯咗。城市花園都幾貴㗎，咁你睇下呢度最平都過千萬嘅。City Garden is quite expensive, and look at the prices here. The cheapest one is over 10 million Hong Kong dollar. And there's a little shopping mall, shopping arcade, whatever. 呢度係港燈嘅地方喎，我有印象我嚟過呢度啊。This is the electric center. I have some memories here. Okay, so Hong Kong Electric is a company providing electricity on Hong Kong Island, and it is actually owned by the richest man in Hong Kong, the 李嘉誠。咁李嘉誠持有嘅，據我認知啊嚇。咁咧，我以前細個嘅時候嚟過呢度嘅。我記得一次咧，我阿媽咧，我媽咪咧，佢唔記得咗交電費啊。咁咧就俾人 cut 咗電啊，所以咧就嚟呢度交。I have some memories in this area because when I was very young, my mother forgot to pay the electricity bill, and then we came here for paying the bill. 呢個維港頌啊 ，Harbour Glory is another high-end residential building. And also here is another hotel, 歷山酒店 Alexandra Hotel. 好啦，繼續行啦。呢邊係電氣道街市。This is the Electric Road Market.咁好啦，行返出嚟啦。So this is the end of this City Garden Road. And there's Java Road and Electric Road out there. Okay. 咁呢段片呢就嚟到呢度先，多謝大家收睇啦。So thanks for watching. This video will end here. Bye bye.